Assalamualaikum dear students, I hope everybody is fine. I am Dr. Alevelcams and you are watching YouTube channel Alevelcams. In this lecture we will draw the graph of spiral of Archimedes. So student, everybody knows spiral is like that. Understand? So let's say this is theta and this is r. Okay. So choose 0. You can see this is 4 by pi. So I will take theta for multiple of pi by 4. So firstly I will take pi by 4, 2 pi by 4, 3 pi by 4, 4 pi by 4. 4 pi by 4 is pi. Understand? Similarly, up to so on, the last value I will get 8 pi by 4, I will get 2 pi. And so on. I will take last value 16 pi by 4. It means I have 16 values of pi by 4. When I take 0, r is 0. When I take pi by 4, you will get r is 1. When you take 2 pi by 4, it will be balanced, r is 2, 3, 4 and so on 8 up to so on 16. Means you are taking value of r 0 when angle is 0. When angle is pi by 4, in the direction of pi by 4, the value of radius is 1. In the direction of line 2 pi by 4, r is 2. You can see, let's say we are given that theta equal to pi by 3 means 60 degree. The line will be this one and this angle is pi by 3. Understand? If it is said to us, consider the half line of pi by 3, means we will eliminate this one. This is the full line, this is the half line. So you have angle 0. In the 0, you have 0. At pi by 4 angle, let's say this is pi by 4 angle, your length is 1. At 2 pi by 4 angle, you are at 2. At 3 pi by 4 angle, you are at 3. Means as well as the angle is increasing, you are jumping one value of r. Now we do its sketching. So keep in the mind 0, 1, 2, 3 multiple of pi by 4, you have corresponding value 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. So student, if I do sketching of this, this is pole, this is initial axis, zero, pi by 4, 1, pi by 2, 2, 3 pi by 4, 3, 4 pi by 4, 4, 5 pi by 4, 5, 6 pi by 4, 6, 7 pi by 4, 7, 8 pi by 4, 8. Then 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. This is your answer. Very simple. At every step you are increasing one value of r. So I hope so you have a good understanding with this easy question. But if you have any issue, you can contact us without any hesitation. See you again. Allah Hafiz.